Lilin miċ-ċentru tal-Belt Valletta quddiem il-Berġa Tarragona issib il-binja imponenti tal-Katidral Anglikan. Fil-ħemda ta' dik il-pjazzetta tispikka l-arkitettura Neo-Klassika ta' dan il-katidral mibni mill-Ingliżi wara li ħattew dik li kienet il-Berġa tal-Ġermanja ta' żmien il-Kavallieri. Għasnin twal li din il-binja kompletat is-servizz reliġjuż lil protestanti, iżda dan l-aħħar inħass il-bżonn li jsir ilha restawr kif jixraq. Martin Xikluna, iċ-chairman tal-bord responsabbli mir-Restawr tal-Katidral Anglikan ta' San Pawl, sostna li hemm bżonn 3 miljun euro u l-pjan ta' restawr se jitħabbar fil-jiem li ġejjin.
We are launching the big appeal next Thursday, the 9th of February, and what we hope to do, what our objective is to raise 3 million euros in order to save this cathedral.
Xikluna, li żvela magħna numru ta' dettalji dwar ir-restawr, spjega kif l-aktar xogħol li l-katidral jeħtieġ huwa fuq barra.
The restoration will be focused mostly on the outside, although the ceiling here is desperately in need of replacement. It's perfectly adequate as it is, but it's not the original ceiling, and we want to restore the original design by the architect William Scamp. But outside will take the major part of our resources.
Xikluna tem l-intervista jisħaq dwar l-importanza ta' dan il-katidral li issa sar parti mill-wirt storiku ta' pajjiżna.
We have been advised by architects that there are parts of the cathedral which could be unstable unless we took action now to remedy them. So that's the whole objective. And as you rightly said just a moment ago, this is such an important part of Malta's cultural heritage. That's really what it's all about. I mean, you can't imagine Valletta's skyline without the cathedral spire. You know, it's become an iconic part of Malta's landscape.